Imagine you're sending money to a loved one in another country. You want the transaction to be fast, secure, and affordable. You need a reliable service. Have you ever wondered how many people trust Paysend for their international money transfers? Paysend is a global money transfer service that has been gaining popularity in recent years. With its user-friendly interface and competitive rates, it's become a go-to choice for many. But how many people are actually using Paysend? Let's dive into the numbers. Research and analysis. To answer this question, we need to look at various sources, including Paysend's official statements, financial reports, and industry analyses. While Paysend might not publicly disclose its exact customer count, we can make some educated estimates based on the available information. One of the key factors to consider is Paysend's growth rate. The company has been expanding rapidly, entering new markets and forming partnerships with financial institutions around the world. This growth indicates a rising number of customers. Another important factor is Paysend's user reviews and testimonials. The platform has received positive feedback from many users, praising its ease of use, fast transfer times, and low fees. This suggests a growing customer base satisfied with the service. Additionally, we can look at industry reports and analyses that provide insights into the overall size of the international money transfer market. By comparing Paysend's market share to its competitors, we can get a better sense of its customer base. Estimating the customer count. Based on our research, it's challenging to provide a precise figure for Paysend's customer count. However, we can estimate that the company has a significant number of users, particularly in regions where it has a strong presence. Factors such as Paysend's geographical reach, partnerships with banks and financial institutions, and its growing popularity suggest that the customer base is likely in the millions. While we can't confirm the exact number, it's clear that Paysend has attracted a substantial number of customers who rely on its service for their international money transfer needs. The impact of Paysend. Paysend's growing customer base has a positive impact on the global financial landscape. By providing a convenient and affordable way to send money internationally, the company is helping to connect people and businesses across borders. Moreover, Paysend's success has contributed to increased competition in the money transfer industry, leading to lower fees and improved services for consumers. In conclusion, while we may not have a definitive answer to the question how many customers does Paysend have, it's clear that the company has a substantial and growing user base. Paysend's popularity can be attributed to its user-friendly interface, competitive rates, and global reach. As the company continues to expand and innovate, it's likely that its customer base will continue to grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.